So to use any tool, you must have API keys enabled on each of the tools. Now, if I click on a tool here, it goes in and you can see there's a little button up here which shows that there's no API key detected, and it's giving me a warning sign. So if I click on this button, it's going to take me to the section where I put in the API keys, which is in my profile. If I click on the keys, it's listing all the ones which don't have the keys. Now, you can see there's some tools here which are not yet released. So focus on the ones which you can see in the hub. And so what I'm going to focus on are bulk attached to rows. Well, I want an API key for that one. You can see I've already done one for ID checker. So bulk attached to rows, I'm going to copy this information. I'm going to copy it. And to get my API key, all I need to do is go to my plan. I'm going to click on my personal settings, and I'm going to go to API access, and I'm going to generate a new access token. In this case, I'm going to call it demo, and I'm going to paste that information, bulk attached to rows. I'm going to generate the key and copy this. Again, once you've copied it and you press OK, you will never be able to see that key again. Do not share it with anyone. Again, I will revoke that key so it's not accessible or usable by anyone else who's watched this video. And I'm going to leave this open because I'm going to come back and do more. So now I go to the API and action. I'm going to click plus. I'm going to paste the key in here and I'm going to save it. Okay, I'm going to go to do a few more whilst I'm here. So ID checker is already done. I'm going to go in and add an image to cell. So I'll just copy that information, go back. I'm going to generate a new access token, press the button, I'm going to write demo, image to cell, press OK, copy the API key, add it in, and this is as technical as it is. Once they're in, if I just go back to the tools now, you can see attachment info, the key is now green, and other tools have got a slightly different interface at the moment. So here you can see API key is detected, and this is the look for the new ones. So that's the API keys. You need them set up in order for the tools to work. Once you are, then we can go and dive into some tools.